Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can get the best possible sound from the Gizmo Guy Gadget. So when you get a Gizmo Guy Gadget, all you do is first thing that you want to do is the thing come with the device and the power source and the aux jack thing. The aux jack is an option. This is 100% optional. You can plug into an aux if you have one, but the sound quality won't be as good as a Bluetooth. So the first thing that you want to do is actually insulate this in case if you get noise or it's you just go ahead and do this. If you don't need it, go ahead and put electrical tape or masking tape. I mean, not masking tape, electrical tape. Put it around this headphone jack. Okay, so that way you insulate it. Okay, it insulated from all the possible noise that will come out from the contact. If this hits the metal or anything, you'll create noise. So you want to make sure that you insulate it. Then the device come with a cigarette plug, which you plug into your phone, and which will also allow you to have a Type-C charge, so you can actually charge a device while you can actually use this device while you charge your phone as well. But a lot of people don't like that. They don't want to have anything plugged into the car, aesthetic reasons and whatnot. So what you can do is you can use the power bank. This is the external battery. It's also known as a battery pack or a power bank. What you can do is use this device. This is less than $10 from Amazon or wherever. Okay, this is an external battery. So if you don't want to plug in my device, the Gizmo Guy Gadget, to your car, you can use the external battery. Simply connect the battery like this into to the phone, and then you turn it on. Now you don't have to plug the device into the car. Okay, you can just hide this whole thing in your glove box or somewhere else that's not visible, and use the device to stream music from your phone through your car radio. Okay, so this way that nothing is visible, you can get everything completely hidden out of the way. Just use the battery pack. Okay, and this works the same with the basic. This one. Okay, just plug it in and power it up. Okay, that way you don't have to plug into the car. You can use this setup, and the music will actually be way better quality than than anything you ever heard. Okay, because we separate the power source from the device. Okay, this is Wesley, Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.